Good day, everybody. We're at Wat Chet Yot. This is my birth month temple in Chiang Mai. We're told that you should visit your birth month temple at least once, preferably 3 times while you're alive. It's supposed to be good luck for you to do that. So we figured this out at a temple in Lee yesterday. Look at the size of this tree that's here. This is extremely old. The branches are blocked up to keep it safe from breaking. As you can see, everything here is built with old stone. I don't know if that's laterite. It doesn't appear to be. Women are not allowed to enter here. You see the sign here? It tells you do not walk on the wall. And to stay off of that up there, ancient. Now the little wall over there, that lower wall, that is laterite, and that can only be used in a temple. Look at that old temple there. Wat Chet Yot. And this is the year of the snake. So you see all the snakes that are lining the bottom down here. Even the walkway here is all laterite. I'll try to get to a better spot where the sun doesn't affect as much and see if I can improve this. I've never seen so many snakes in the temple, so that is the explanation for this being, I believe it's the only one in Thailand for the year of the snake. So we're just fortunate enough to figure it out right when we came to Chiang Mai. It's the only place you'll find it. Yeah, all of the wall there is all built out of laterite. The foundation stones are all laterite. And I would assume, as some of the other, no, it's actually, the walls all the way up is laterite. It's just plastered over. Yeah, all the way to the top it's got laterite. I'm going to see if I can find something that says what year this was built, because this is a very definite old one, something like in the 13th century. Okay, Wat Chet Yot Stupa. Okay, construction of the temple 1455, 1456. So there's my answer. Wow. It's still in such great shape for being 1,000 years old, nearly 1,000 years old. There's a door open to this here, so I don't know if we can go in it. I'll take a look. It says welcome, so let's have a look. As with all these temples, you take your shoes off before you come up. I came into the back. All the teak wood built stuff here. So it looks like the intention is really to enter this doorway right here. Now I have to assume these are all hand painted, just as the other temples we've been going to. I don't have my Thai guides here with me today to read this and tell us, but it's clearly the monk's chair. You can actually enter into this one as well. I'll take my shoes up at the top of the steps here because this laterite gets really hot. Just imagine 1,000 years old. Came to the front of the temple here, and it has the Nagas here on the front. All the hand engravings. Now I'll have to cross to the other side. Looks like a bell tower. I'm guessing these are sandstone. All these steps are sandstone. They are not the laterite. At least I don't believe so. I'm guessing they're sandstone. They look a little different. They're not as porous as the laterite is. And again, here women are not allowed to enter. It says do not, so this is all built out of sandstone here. and it has been plastered. It's just decaying. It's pretty amazing. The steps and everything are still here. They look all original too. The corners here not broken off. You can see where there's been some settling over the years, over 1,000 years. It's settling a little bit out of square. It's a much bigger temple than it looked like from outside. I had no idea it was going to be this big. I gotta start preparing myself better when I enter these places. Not nearly as much settling on this one. The walls are pretty straight, pretty square still. Some of the plaster is still coming off of the walls. It would have been nice to have somebody here that knows the history as well as we had yesterday. I don't know if you can read any of this, it's so light. This is the Chedi, containing King Tilokarat's ashes. It was built in 1487. You get a real nostalgic feeling standing here, knowing all the history and all the people that have been around, and knowing that the king's ashes are buried inside there. Let's see, I'll go around this one and see if we can find the history of this. I'm sure I'm not supposed to be able to go up on it, so I won't. Okay, I'll come back to you in just a minute when I can see if I can find information about it. This is Ratana Jangkram Jedi. After paying respect to the Bodh tree, he walked back to the spot where he had attained enlightenment for 7 days and 7 nights. He practiced walking meditation at this spot, at that spot. So that's what it is. It's his meditation area. Again, that one's all built out of laterite. Foundation, walls, everything. Okay, everybody, I hope you found this temple exciting as I did. It's my birth year temple, the year of the snake. Impressive, all the sandstone. It's 1,000 years old. If you like this content, please reach down on the bottom, mash the like and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything and it helps our channel. This is Bobby and Jai with time to get going. Out.